Hi everyone, it's Lois Avellanet with Easy as Pie Stamping. Today I'm excited to share with you my Beginner Stamper Series, Episode 4, Part 2 of the types of papers. Stay tuned because you will learn all about the special types of papers to use for card making and other paper crafts. I post weekly videos on rubber stamping projects, techniques, and tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I'm going to take the mystery out of all the types of papers you can purchase from Stampin' Up. When you are finished watching this video, you will know the features and benefits of each type. Did you know that we have the most gorgeous designer series paper, aka scrapbook paper, and new designs in every catalog? Of all our papers, the Designer Series paper, DSP for short, is my favorite. They have such lovely patterns and colors, and as you can see in our annual catalog, we have lots of choices, and they're all so gorgeous. They come in either 12 by 12 inch or 6 inch by 6 inch. All of our papers are double-sided with the exception of a few of the specialty Designer Series papers. And as you can see in the pictures here, it shows each side of the paper. They are coordinated with our color collections, and underneath each description is a list of all the colors used in that paper. And they also coordinate with each other so you can mix and match. We've done all the hard work for you. We also have cardstock packs that coordinate with our Designer Series papers. You get 3 colors in each pack. They are colors from the Designer Series paper. There's usually a dark, a medium, and a light. Grab your free PDF downloadable DSP coordinating color chart from the 2018-2019 annual catalog and the 2019 occasions and celebration catalogs with the link below. So most of our Designer Series paper is part of a suite. A suite is a collection of products that fit a theme and coordinate with each other. Right here we have the Gingham Gala suite, and the suites include a stamp set and either a punch or thinlits, Designer Series paper, a cardstock pack with 3 colors, and then embellishments and ribbon. And then it makes coordinating your projects super easy because you have all of these products that work together to make beautiful projects like this. Head on over to my blog right now and sign up for my email newsletter with techniques, tips, classes, projects, and promotions every week. The link is below. So let me show you some of our Designer Series papers real quick. This is printed vellum, and then we have some wood textures, and then this one is beautiful flowers, and then we have butterflies and some more wood textures. We have these pretty leaves. We have some gingham patterns. This is a photorealistic Designer Series paper of embroidery. And then here's a very bold flower pattern. And this beautiful hearts with flowers on the back. And this beautiful rainbow stripe paper. So you can see why I love our Designer Series papers. They are so gorgeous. I have 2 more papers to show you. First, let me show you our watercolor paper. It's really great for when you want to watercolor images where you're going to need more water because it's designed to take a lot of water. So this one we did a background wash, and so as you can see, that paper just really makes that card look extra special. And then this one, it was just lightly watercolored, but the texture of the paper just really makes these cards special. So one of my favorite things is the Glimmer Paper. It's a thinner paper so that you can punch it easily, and also use it with your die cut machine, and it's really great for using as accents or as a card front for something really special. Visit my blog to see how I use stamps, ink, and paper to create these simple cards. The link is below. So let me tell you about our final two papers. We have foil sheets. They come in colors like gold and silver and copper. And on this card, the copper foil was used as a background for the sentiment. So we also offer these window sheets. They are a transparent acetate, so technically they're not paper. They come in 8.5 inches by 11. It's also great for creating accents, overlays, boxes, and you can use it to create windows in your boxes like this one here, and also for shaker cards. So the acetate here was used to make this fun window card. And you pull this tab up and look, all of a sudden your image is colored. My next video will be a tutorial on basic stamping using these two stamp sets, Dandelion Wishes and Bokeh Dots. You don't want to miss it. If you want to join a community of crafters just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date techniques, tips, and products to keep your projects fresh. The link is below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Leave a comment below if you have any more questions about paper. Thank you for visiting Easy as Pie Stamping. I look forward to helping you create pretty projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and remember, do something creative every day.